channel, Naturally Lori. So today's video is going to be an unboxing and a review. So as y'all know, I do get Influencer VoxBoxes because I'm on their website, and you know, I just get chosen for stuff after doing different surveys and stuff. So everything I receive is completely free and free to review and to try out. And today's VoxBox is no different. Today's VoxBox is the Influencer Nubu Nut Butter Bites. Now I don't know if that's literally the name of it. You will see the name in the title, and I will have it in the description. But this is what it is. So this is completely different than anything I've ever received. I have never received food, so today's video is going to be like a taste test and a review. So first I'm just going to unbox it. Obviously I've opened it, but I've never opened the nut butter bites. So this nut butter done differently. I'm gonna just read y'all the card. I'm crafted for mindful snackers with natural pantry ingredients, made with 100% natural peanut butter for a crunchy treat that is 100% delicious, and it is packable and always snackable. Discover all of the goodness of 100% natural peanut butter, the satisfying crunch of nuts, and a touch of sweetness for a hard to resist, no mess snack. So it's 7 simple ingredients. It's gluten free, vegan free, dairy free. You can take this. It's for hiking, biking, meeting, studying, relaxing, chatting, working out, and staying in. Nubu's got you. It's available in 3 flavors: peanut, pecan, and cashew. And I got it in the pecan flavor. So this is what's in there. Just took it out of the box. It also came with the coupon for myself. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. Again, Nubu Nut Butter Bites, pecan flavor. Let's just open this. It's 130 calories. I'll read the ingredients out. Peanuts, corn syrup, sugar, pecans, baking soda, natural flavor, sea salt, and it may contain some shell pieces. And it contains peanuts and pecans. It's just like a little warning on it, just in case, you know, you're allergic to it. And the casing or wrapping of it pretty much says the same thing the paper said that I read to y'all. So I'm just gonna rip it open. Let's open it. Super excited. It smells like peanut butter. That's what it looks like. All right, let's taste this. So this is what it looks like right here. All right. Hard. I like peanut butter, so this is good. It tastes like peanut butter. I don't know if I necessarily taste the pecans. Let me eat one more. Woo, okay. So I ate 2 of them. I'm gonna eat them. I'm watching Arrow on Netflix, so I'm probably gonna finish this while I watch Arrow. But they are very hard and crunchy, which is a plus for, you know, people who like hard and crunchy things. But if you are somebody who don't like super hard stuff, that may be a negative. But the flavor is really good. It's a very simple thing. Like, I don't imagine this was hard for them to make. It reminds me of something. It reminds me of those Chico sticks. I'll insert a picture on the screen, but that's what this reminds me of. Just more peanut butter flavored. Reminds me of Chico sticks, but I think those are like not healthy for you. And this is definitely a healthy option, and it's gluten free and vegan. So if you like Chico sticks, you will love this. It's kind of like an old school snack or candy. So you younger kids, if you're watching this and you're younger, might not know what that is. But yeah, Chico sticks is good. I like Chico sticks. Reminds me of it, just with a more peanut butter taste. I will say, if you have like a loose tooth, or you just got like, I don't know, you just got like dental work done or something like that, I wouldn't recommend this at all. Like, it's literally stuck in my teeth. Yeah, all right there. So got cavities and stuff like that. I don't know if I recommend this. And if you do eat it, you probably have to brush your teeth right after. You have like sensitive teeth, which I do. My teeth hurt sometimes, so that's the only thing. But I like this. I would give this an 8 out of 10. I feel like the hardness of it kind of brought it down just a little bit because it was a little harder than I was expecting. But if you go into it knowing it's hard, if I was going into it knowing it was hard, I would give it a 9 out of 10. I give it a 9 out of 10. That's my final rating of it. I really did like it. Super crunchy. It tastes really good. Like my mouth is salivating as I'm talking, and usually my mouth gets dry as I talk, so I hate to stop and like swallow my spit. So this is actually good, is what I'm trying to say. Thank you, Influencer Nubu, for choosing this for me. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Excuse my hair. I know it's frizzy, you know. Excuse it. It's blow dry and I got hot, so it got a little puffy. That's okay though. Excuse that. I know I went throughout this whole video and was looking this way, but it's okay. That's pretty much it for this video. So please make sure to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna see you in my next one.